Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at a program called Vocaroo. This is a program that allows you to record audio and then share it. It's very simple to use. You go to vocaroo.com. It is a web-based program, and then you simply click on the red button to record. When you're done recording, you click on the same red button to stop. Then you click save and share, and you're able to share in several different ways. You can download, you can create a QR code, you can send it as a link in a file, and there's many more. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at how this works. I'm already here at vocaroo.com. Here's our red recording button. So as soon as I click on that, it starts recording. And so now I can, as a teacher, give directions, or if I'm a student practicing reading or practicing for a presentation and I want to hear how I sound, I can start doing that recording. Once I'm done, I will click on the red button to stop, and then we can also replay. As soon as I click on that, and it starts out recording. Once we're satisfied that that's the recording we want to share, and if we're not satisfied, we can click on this red button here, and it will ask us to record again. It will give us that option. So once I am satisfied, I click save and share, and we get some options for sharing. You see some social media options here. You have a QR code that you can copy and share. It will give you an embed code if you're embedding it like in a web page. You can download it. If you do download it, it goes to your download file. So you can find it in your download folder. And then also here's the link, and I can just click here and copy the link and then share it. So it's a very simple tool to use. There's no installations of any apps or anything else to add. You just simply go to vocaroo.com and get started. So enjoy vocaroo.com and have fun recording.